people are really thinking about what does value mean to me in a different way. Blackstone is the world's largest alternative asset manager in the world. We manage a little over $1 trillion of assets under management. My role within the firm is that I lead our consumer growth investing. So our high growth consumer companies like Spanx and Supergroup, mostly branded companies that are really focused on redefining how we think about consumer brands in this world.
Now, you mentioned your focus on consumer investing at Blackstone. So talk to me more about what makes an attractive consumer brand in today's environment and macroeconomic environment.
We really focus on consumer businesses and brands that have 3 pillars. First is an amazing product or service. No one's coming back if you don't have a great product to offer. Second is a brand that has emotional connectivity, that people really feel strongly about that brand and have a personal connection to what it is. And third is purpose. What is the greater purpose of this company? And when we look at our portfolio, they all really fit nicely into those 3 pillars. And so that greater purpose and coming at it with an emotional connectivity that is not coming from fear, but a positive, lighthearted way, and having a great product to support all that really underpins our thinking about investing in consumer.
Now tell me, how do you work with founder-led companies to explain the benefits of a partnership with Blackstone?
When we think about founders, we're really thinking about how do you support them? How do you put the scaffolding around what makes them special and magic and the teams behind them? So we do that in taking our 40 years of history within private equity at Blackstone and thinking about what resources can we help with those companies. So we have particularly a little over 100 folks in what is our portfolio operations team. And those are folks that have a long history and experience across many different functions. They are functional experts at what they do. So whether it's procurement, whether it is talent, whether it's data science, those are folks that can parachute into our companies and really help support them for both opportunities as well as challenges. We've been able to bring in a lot of different people with incredible operating experience to help support our companies. So I think that's really one of the amazing things about what Blackstone has done is that if one of our companies has a question, we may not know the answer, but we're probably 1 or 2 phone calls away from figuring out who might know the answer.
And finally, Anne, what trends do you foresee in the growth investing sector in 2025?
So we really think about what are the businesses, what are the brands, what are the products that are really delivering on all aspects, from the value that they create to all the way to the price point that they're offering. And we think that that's a really big, particularly in this market, in today's macro environment, we really think that's a big theme across all ages, genders, races. People are really thinking about what does value mean to me in a different way.
All right, well, Anne, it's been wonderful to talk with you.
Thanks, Judy. Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it.